Learn Persian alphabet. Letter J. Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. Today we are going to learn letter J in Persian. So let's start the lesson. Letter J. The 14th Persian letter is named J. J. And it is pronounced J. J. Like the last sound in English word garage. Garage. Or the second sound in the word usually. This letter in all positions, initial, medial, and final, are the same. It's just like re and ze, but it has 3 dots above. Like jale, gele, beige, geste. Please note that the letter J is one of those 7 letters that the letters follow them, do not attach, do not connect to it. Look at these examples. Jale, gele, geste. All these 3 letters, they didn't attach to the letter J. It's time to show you a text and you're gonna find the form of the letter J in the text. You can check your answer here. It's time to make new words with the letters that we know so far. Alef, P, T, S, J, Ch, H, Dal, Zal, Re, Z, J. The first word is beige. 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 It's beige in English. It's a color. شلوار من beige است. شلوار من beige است. Okay guys, that was the letter J in Persian. I hope you find it useful and learned something. It's your turn now. It's time to write 3 lines of the letter J and the word beige. Practice them, send them for me. I would be happy to help you and check your answers. Also, if you want to support my content, you can subscribe the channel and like the video. I'm Asal. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.